Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today's video, I will be presenting about target costing. The first one, what is target costing? Target costing is a method where a profit margin is deducted from market value to determine maximum cost for a product. Market value means the value of the product in the open market that customers are willing to pay for. It is a reverse method of a cost plus pricing with some little difference.
Now, let's talk about target costing and how it compares to cost plus pricing. First, with cost plus pricing, the company looks at how much it will cost to produce the product. After knowing the cost, profit margin will be added. So, the selling price is set after knowing the cost you might incur. The focus here is mainly on recovering the cost incurred and gaining profit. But in target costing, it's the other way around. We start with the market price, then profit margin will be subtracted. The cost is set before production even begins. So, the main focus is on production efficiency and productivity, making sure we meet that cost target.
So now we move on to the comparison or differences between target costing and cost plus pricing. For the first one is focus. Target costing is a customer driven. For example, for a company to make a target costing, they will set up a selling price first from the survey of their customer. In cost plus pricing, it is a company driven. For example, it is based on the internal factor of the company. Second is when used. Target costing is more competitive market and tight pricing pressure. The second one is cost plus pricing. It has a stable market and less price sensitivity. Okay, so the third one is profit calculation before production and design. The profit calculation for target costing is before the production of the product, and for cost plus pricing, it is after the cost is calculated, then the profit is calculated. So the main objective of the target costing is to achieve competitive pricing while ensuring profit, while cost plus pricing is to ensure costs are covered with the profit margin. The flexibility of the target costing is to force innovation and efficiency, whereas cost plus pricing is more rigid, may overprice or underprice.
Target costing is most useful in certain situations. First, it's valuable in highly competitive markets and for price-sensitive consumers. It's also important for mass-produced products with low profit margin and for high-volume production. On the other side, target costing supports product innovation and design flexibility. It helps in managing global pricing, especially when profitability is crucial and costs must be controlled. It's also useful for products with short life cycles and in fixed pricing environment.
The key benefits of target costing is cost efficiency. It can reduce the cost of the making of the product design during the development. Second one is profit maximization. It has an opportunity for the cost saving of a product. The third one is price competitiveness. It is to ensure for profitability of the product. The fourth one is cross-functional collaboration. It can meet the target cost. And the fifth one is customer-centric focus. It is aligned with market.
Now, let's see how to apply target costing. First, determine the market price. Next, you need to deduct the profit margin that the company wants to earn. After that, compare the target cost to the budgeted cost or the actual cost if production has already started. Finally, take control measures. If the budgeted cost is higher than the target cost reduction actions must be taken. This is important because producing the product at a cost lower than or equal to the target cost is crucial in target costing. Also remember, target costing can only be used when you clearly understand the market and customer.
So now we move on to the example time. Let's say how much would customer are willing to pay for the product. Let's say you want to sell a toy for $100 because that's what other toys like it sell for. You also want to make a 20% profit. So let's say you are targeting the selling price of the toy is $100. So your target selling price is $100, and from that $100 you are targeting a profit of 20% from the selling price. So your target profit will be $20. So after deducted profit from the selling price, you will got a target cost of $18. Now you start the production and making sure it only costs $80 or less to produce. Compare this with the budgeted cost and take the cost reduction measure if the budgeted cost is more than the target cost.
Here are some fun facts about target costing. Target costing originated from Japan due to company like Toyota helped popularize it. It played a crucial role in their success in producing affordable while being high quality. It involved engineers, designers, laborers, suppliers, and more, synergizing from the start of a project to meet the target cost. Today, target costing is now used worldwide across industry around the world like Samsung, Apple, and Nike.